Want to quit wasting paper when you stamp labels? Watch this.
Now, one of the things that I do like to do with my die cuts is I cut them out, several of them. You can create a white die cut, so I've already cut out the one that I want to use, and I'm going to show you how to use it with your Stamparatus. So I have my words here, and I have my little template. So what I do, this is not straight on here, you'll see, and that's perfectly fine. It doesn't need to be. But because I've got the grid lines here, I can line this straight. So I'm lining the top here with my grid line. And then I'm also going to put my words on where I think they're going to be in the center. And then I'm going to pick those words up. I'm going to ink them up just a little bit. Here I'm going to use some of my Rich Razzleberry. So ink that up and stamp it right through and onto your mat. So this foam mat is plastic and you can clean it up. And just check for if it's fairly straight, and it actually is. So I'm looking at the width deepest because the ease, and I'm actually very, very straight. So put that right inside your die. Pull in your magnets so it's not going to move. And then we're going to ink that one more time and we are going to stamp. Now you don't need to press very hard here. I'm just pressing very, very lightly. That one actually looks pretty good, but if I did miss it in a certain spot, then I could ink it again and stamp it. That's one of the benefits of having a stamp positioner, and the Stamparatus is great. Thanks very much for joining me. Please like the video and subscribe if you'd like to. Also join my email list where you can get exclusive ideas from me every week. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.